You've heard this your whole life. Money can't buy happiness. We've said it so often. It sounds like truth, doesn't it? But what if that's not the full story? What if the problem isn't money, but how we've been using it? We spend our best years chasing income, working, saving, paying bills, for a peace that somehow never arrives. Feels like a cruel joke, doesn't it? Here's the truth no one told you. Money can buy happiness, just not the way you think. Today we're breaking down 5 spending habits that science says actually buy happiness and transform the way you live. The real reason money doesn't make you happier. Money matters. It gives you safety, stability, freedom. But beyond a point, it stops feeling like progress. Psychologists Daniel Kahneman and Matthew Killingsworth found that happiness rises with income, but after a certain level, it flatlines. Because no amount of cash can fix what's broken inside. That's the hedonic treadmill. You get the raise, buy the car, feel that spark, and then it fades. You adapt and start running again, chasing the next thing. But what if you could step off that treadmill and finally feel free? Let's begin.
Buy back your time. The most valuable thing you own isn't your car. It's not your phone. It's your time. And yet, we trade it away for tiny rewards. Driving across town to save 100 rupees. Spending weekends buried in chores we hate. This constant rush is called time famine. And it's one of the biggest sources of unhappiness. But here's where money becomes your superpower. You can use it to buy back time. Hire help. Order food when you're exhausted. Pay for convenience if it buys you peace. You're not buying laziness. You're buying freedom. Freedom to rest, to live, to breathe. Invest in experiences, not things. If I gave you 1,000 rupees, what would you do? Buy a gadget or book an experience? Science says choose the experience. Because experiences give happiness in 3 waves. First, anticipation, the joy of planning. Then, the experience itself. And finally, the memory that lasts forever. Even the mishaps, the missed bus, the rain, they turn into stories later. Things get used, but memories get relived. Spend on others. Want a secret to lasting joy? Spend your money on someone else. Researchers call it pro-social spending. They gave 2 groups $20. Half spent it on themselves. Half spent it on others. Guess who ended the day happier? The givers. Every single time. Because giving lights up your brain's reward centers. It connects you, makes you feel human again. You don't need to be rich, just kind. Buy a coffee for a stranger. Send a surprise gift. Tip a little more. You're not losing money. You're gaining meaning. Buy peace of mind. Happiness isn't just about adding joy. It's about removing stress. High-interest debt isn't just financial. It's emotional. It steals your sleep, your focus, your peace. When you pay off debt, you're freeing your mind, not just your wallet. Then build your confidence account, your emergency fund. Even 10,000 rupees tucked away gives you control, gives you calm. That feeling is freedom disguised as happiness. Many small pleasures, not a few big ones. We wait for big moments to feel joy. The car, the vacation, the dream house. But happiness doesn't work like that. Your brain adapts quickly to big wins, so instead, create small ones. Often. That perfect coffee, fresh flowers on your desk, dinner with friends, a walk in the rain. Small joys, repeated often, create a lifetime of happiness. So yes, money can buy happiness, but not through stuff. You buy it when you buy back time, when you invest in memories, when you give to others, when you create peace, and when you fill your days with little joys. Money isn't evil, it's a mirror. It reflects your choices, your priorities, your peace. Use it to build stress or to build freedom. The choice is yours. Start small this week. Pick one habit and watch how your happiness shifts. 1 rupee, 1 moment, 1 choice at a time. If this story gave you a new way to see life, like the video and subscribe for more science-backed stories right here on 5 Gemmy.